welcome to Fun Time Travel. Thanks for checking out this walkthrough of the Regal Princess accessible balcony A301. So this video was provided to us by our friend Nicole Azzaro at Tropic Breeze Travel. She's a fantastic travel agent, great friend, and I know she'll do a great job for you. So give her a shout out if you need some help with booking a cruise or any kind of travel.